What is going on, guys? This is Titan, at&t if you're only following me on social media. In this video, I'm going to go over a crypto that I have recently alerted to our members to invest in, that I have invested in, and hopefully after this video, you consider investing in as well. But before we get into that, if you like this content, if you want more content, crypto content on things that I am investing in, or that our members are investing in, or that we are investing in as a whole, feel free to hit that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you are always updated on when I'm posting a video, and smash that subscribe button and comment your thoughts below. Alright, but without further ado, let's get right to it. So if you haven't figured it out by now, the name of the crypto is Gala Games. Okay, it's right here. It's right here, up here. Okay, got it? Alright, it's Gala Games. Okay, I really love this crypto. It has shown us a lot of love since we have invested into it. We invested into it a long time ago, and now we're back in it at a much cheaper price. When we did originally invest into it, it showed us some profit. It took off to about 60 cents, and it was absolutely crazy. A lot of people, when I posted it, even on my Facebook wall, because sometimes I do post on social media various coins I'm investing in, a lot of people were, messaging me, letting me know that they profited very well off this coin. So now we are back in this crypto once again, and I'm going to show you guys why I am investing into it, or why we are investing into it. Okay, just keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor, and whatever you do with your money is completely up to you. It's your responsibility, and overall it's your decision. Okay, so before we get into the website, let's look at the charts real quick. Actually, let's not look at the charts. Let's look at the price. Okay, so Gala Games currently is now at 28 cents. Okay, 28 cents, market cap of 1,978,643,171. All right. And right now the current circulating supply is about 6 billion, 6.98 billion. All right, so big number, big crazy number up there. Actually, the total supply is right here. Okay, but overall, really good price, okay. 28 cents is not a bad price. All right, but before we get into should you invest into it now, let's look at the charts real quick before we get into all that. All right, so the reason why I originally alerted this, let's get rid of all this. Okay, so the reason why I originally alerted this was because if we looked at the 4-hour chart, okay, if we looked at the 4-hour chart, it was looking really good. Okay, so we had a double bottom originally, and it was right, I want to say right about around here, or maybe here. Yeah, it was right here. Okay, so we had a double bottom forming right here, and then eventually it failed. Okay, it did fail, and patterns fail. It's okay, it happens. All right, there's no predicting that a pattern would completely go through, but originally we had a double bottom forming, and Bitcoin was up. I saw Bitcoin was up at 42K. It was slowly rising, and then whatever happened, everything started to drop. Okay, but I did say in my previous video that we could see Bitcoin hit 39K. Now, do I think it's going to take a huge effect on every other coin? I don't think so, but you never know. Okay, it could Bitcoin go below 39K? I just really don't see that happening. It would be some crazy news that would need to happen for that to happen. Okay, so overall, worst case scenario right now is that we could see 20 cents from Gala. Okay, but before you guys panic or anything, you're like, well, should we invest into it now? Okay, there's nothing guaranteed. No price is guaranteed. This is all just technical analysis and educated guesses. Okay, so there's no guarantee in Gala possibly hitting 20 cents, but if it does, look at it as a discount. That is a great price to get in on. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys my price target. My short-term price target is 35 cents. So if you're a short-term trader, anything like that, 35 cents is my short-term price target. My long-term price target for now is 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents is my long-term price target. But let's get more into the chart reading real quick. So if we look at the hourly, here we go. We have a inverse head and shoulders pattern potentially forming. Okay, so we have the head, and if you don't know what an inverse head and shoulders pattern is, it's just a upper human body upside down. Okay, so your head, shoulder, and then you're basically on a headstand. So head, shoulder here, and then a potential shoulder forming here. Okay, so this is a bullish signal. Okay, now if we look at the 2 hour, we have the MACD crossing over to the upside. Okay, so we have multiple signals that potentially shows that Gala could be taking off soon. All right, let's get rid of this real quick. So we have multiple signals showing that Gala could potentially take off pretty soon. Okay, how soon we don't know, but overall you're not in this for the short term, or if you are, then keep in mind that price target. You're more so investing into this for the long term. Now, as far as what I potentially think is going to happen, we could potentially see 20 cents, which is completely fine. Okay, we could see 20 cents. I would like for it to go to 20 cents. So let's look at the daily chart real quick. Okay, again, potentially. Okay, so don't be like, freaking out or anything like that. All right, so we could see 20 cents, which is right around this range here, and I don't see us going any lower than that. All right, now again, don't panic, we're gonna keep going. Okay, let me finish. All right, but overall 20 cents is the worst case scenario. If you're, one of those people that just stare at your accounts all day and, you're expecting some overnight gains, this may not be for you. But if you're one of those people who understand the true concept of investing, then this is for you. What I think Gala can do is pull a Mana, okay, or the Decentraland. And if you look at Mana right now, I honestly think it has better potential than Mana right now, okay? Mana is at $2.79, okay? So you do the math. Mana went all the way to $6 before a slow decline, okay? And I think Gala can pull the same thing, okay? So if you're in my Discord group and you got in on sand when we got in on sand at around 70 cents, and it climbed all the way to $8. It was absolutely insane, okay? Absolutely insane. So trust me on this one. I think Gala can pull a Mana / Decentraland, whatever you want to call it, and I think it's going to happen in the future. Okay, obviously it's going to happen in the future, but more so in the long-term future. And once I show you guys the website, I show you guys what's behind this project, hopefully it brings you along and you hopefully make a decision or consider investing into it. But overall, it's completely up to you. Okay, but right now, again, worst case scenario, we see 20 cents. Best case scenario, we see 35 cents for short term, and long term we see 80 cents. Okay, so that is my thoughts on Gala Gaming right now. Okay, as far as the charts. Okay, why is it doing that? Here we go. That's saying. All right, so we have this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern forming, and then somewhat of the uptrend is breaking down, but potentially we could see a double bottom form here, another double bottom form here, or we see a slight pullback and then it enters back into that uptrend. That's typically how head and shoulders patterns work, where they break down or they break up and then they tease kind of this area, and then they go back up. I've seen it happen multiple times, but nothing is guaranteed. All right, but enough of that. Hopefully you guys got the idea of what I'm trying to say overall. Just keep those price targets in mind, and if you're not within the Discord group, if you want to be alerted on when we are investing into certain crypto and when we're getting out or selling for profit, whatever the case may be, Discord link is in the description below. All right, had to throw that in there. But 28 cents, great price. All right, 28 cents is a great price for a cryptocurrency. Now let's look at the website. Website is absolutely amazing. I am a member of their website. I'm a member of their Discord group. So their Discord link will be in the description below, as well as the website will be in the description below, and our Discord link will be in the description below. Threw that in there again. All right, but overall, the website is absolutely amazing. As you guys can see, it has various games. Walking Dead. If you're a Walking Dead fan, you should be very familiar with this. I mean, it has a lot to offer. And my whole point in showing you guys this is to show you that you are investing into something that's real, that has something tangible behind it. All right, that has something actually behind it. You're not just investing into a random coin that's just in the air or whatever. You're actually investing into real business, real projects, real gaming. And if you are a true gamer, you should understand that the gaming industry is a huge industry, very huge industry. Okay, so Gala Gaming, Gala Games. Fun first. We believe the blockchain should be invisible in our games. We use simple game mechanics that all players can enjoy, whether or not they consider themselves to be blockchain pros. Owned by players. Players get to truly own what they win in our games. If you earn or win a magical sword on the Gala game platforms, it is yours. Your items and any inherited status is a verifiable asset on the blockchain you can trade to another person or play with in game. Community rules. We don't develop games in a vacuum. We constantly engage and test assumptions with our Discord community. We build alongside a vocal community whose input shapes the direction each game's design takes. Okay, so if we look at their Discord group real quick, their Discord group is absolutely insane. Tons of members. It's like 30k freaking members in here, guys. It's absolutely insane, and it just it just goes on forever. Okay, 30k members. I mean, look at this. Okay, so definitely consider joining their Discord. I just want to show you guys that real quick, but we'll get back to the website. Okay, but overall, let's look at their games. We got Townstar, we got The Walking Dead Empires, we got Miranda's. This is a game I am interested in myself. Legacy, Last Expedition, Echoes of Empire. This one is very popular within their platform. Spider Tanks, Fortified. We can look at, let's look at a game real quick. Let's look at Walking Dead, since hopefully everybody's familiar with Walking Dead. So I got it on mute because I don't want to get copywritten for anything. I have no idea what the music is going to sound like or anything. But overall, I mean, look at this. These are the things you are investing in. These are the types of projects you are investing in. Real games, real games, real people, real platforms, real developers. These are the things that you are investing in. You're not just investing because, I'm suggesting it or somebody else is suggesting it or it's just some random coin or whatever. You're investing into real businesses, okay? And I really like Gala. I think they have great potential, and I think they have the Decentraland and Sandbox potential. And we know what happened with Sandbox. If you were with the Discord group when we got to Sandbox, you know exactly what happened. So that was Walking Dead Empires. Looks absolutely great. Here's some pictures on how it would look. I mean, it looks amazing. Honestly, I might play it. Yeah, I might play this. But The Walking Dead Empires is a multiplayer survival game set in the treacherous world of AMC's The Walking Dead. Survive in this harsh reality by doing whatever it takes, scavenge for supplies, construct your new home, team up with allies, compete against maniacal foes, and always beware the dead. I never can get that word right, okay? And I am a god at reading, but I can never get that word right. Some words they just can't roll the tongue right. All right, but overall, let's look at some more games. Miranda's, okay? So I really like this game. I like the concept of this game. So Miranda's is an epic fantasy RPG set in a massive world ruled by 5-player monarchs. In-game players have absolute freedom of choice. They can set out into the wilderness alone to try their fortune against the monsters of the deep. Join with one of the monarchs to serve as knight in their courts, or set up shop in one of the 5 great cities of the realm. Player ownership of in-game assets is a central mechanic, with players being able to hold land deeds, which allows them to claim parts of the wilderness and set up holdfast ranging from small farms to massive cities. In Miranda's, you decide who you will be and choose your own quest in epic fight against evil. And look at this. Okay, look at this. So you can buy various, this is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm assuming this is land you can buy, characters you can buy, maybe these are skins. So I'm definitely looking forward to playing this. I plan on playing it sometime, maybe tonight or maybe this weekend actually when I have more time. But overall, this is one project I am interested in, and they do plan on making a metaverse type game. Okay, so they do have plans on that in the future where they're going to make a metaverse type game. So it's going to be crazy. And one of the people that's helping with the metaverse game is, I believe, what's his name? Eric Wright, I want to say, and he was one of the people, co-founders of Sims or Sim City. Hopefully I got that right. Okay, but he's helping with it overall. Yeah, the person who helped create Sim City, he's helping with the project. All right, you get the idea. But overall, I'm never good with names. But overall, this is a great thing to check out. Let's look at one of their most popular games, Spider Tanks. Okay, any day now. Here we go. Maybe no. Doesn't like me. Okay. There we go. But overall, we'll just look at some pictures because I have no idea. Okay, there it is. Maybe not. But overall, hopefully you guys get the idea. It's a lot. Basically, this is built like Steam, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with Steam. This is basically built like Steam, where they have a bunch of games on their platform, and it looks really, really good. I mean, look at this. This is what you're investing in. Tournaments, you know, you can earn Gala, you can earn so many things. You can earn Gala, NFTs, they have NFTs, all that fun stuff. So there's a lot to be done here, okay? Another thing is that you can do on here is become a node. But you can get a founder's node today. The Gala's network is supported by users just like you who operate Gala nodes from their home computer. By buying a license to operate a Gala node, you open up opportunities to receive rewards for your contribution to the network. This can include Gala, limited edition NFTs, and opportunities to help with the Gala games ecosystem grow. Have any questions? Now, it is expensive to be a node, but overall, you know, if you got it, you got it. Okay, 328,643 Gala is about close to $100,000. Okay, so that's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. But overall, I personally think it's worth it. They pay you. It's really good. Okay, I think it's good, and it may be something I look forward to in the future. But right now, I'm gonna keep it simple. Okay, I'm gonna play it humble. All right. Get Gala. So if you want to get Gala, if you're interested in investing in this, they have it on Binance. They have it on Coinbase as well. I know a lot of people start off with Coinbase. They have it on Crypto.com. They have it on Qcoin. They have it on Gate.io, Uniswap. They have it on all types of things. So if you want to invest into this particular crypto, 28 cents. I mean, that's very cheap. You're not spending an arm and a leg. You don't need to. But, you know, your money is your money. It's overall up to you how much you invest. But I hope you guys got something out of this. I hope this all made sense. There's a lot to offer here. Check out their website. It will be in the description below. The Discord link will be in the description below. I'm in the Discord group as well. So it's a very, very active community. There's a lot of stuff, okay? There's a lot of things going on. And it's a very active and very fun community. The games are really cool. I mean, The Walking Dead, come on, you know. Hopefully we all remember those Walking Dead days. It was really a great time, and I'm hoping you guys got something out of this video. But if you like this content, again, if you want more, if you want to know more of the various cryptos I'm investing in, hit that notification bell so that you are always updated on when I am posting a video, whether it be crypto, whether it be stocks, and maybe sometime in the future we do some forex. But right now we're gonna focus on crypto and stocks. The stock market hasn't been showing much love lately, but right now crypto seems to be the safe haven for now. Okay, but I believe that's it, guys. So yeah, until next time, see you in the next video. Peace.